course would be just very simple, right? As we move through the sessions, we'll make it a bit complicated. Okay, so this code, okay, let's execute the code. I've got an onion.png, again a sample image, and this function is flip dim. Okay, so we are actually flip dim means you are, let's go with execution, then you'll understand better. Okay, so this is the original image, fine. So this is the second image which I've got here. Okay, it is the mirrored image. That means I've just made the image to be mirrored. What I mean by this mirrored is I've just made it from left to right. I've just made the left to right mirroring. Can you see this image here? This image. Let's go with the output, then into the code. Okay. So this is the original image. This is the mirrored version of the image. Okay. That means it's just flipped left to right. I've just swapped the pixel values from the rightmost pixel is going to be there. I'm sorry, the leftmost pixel is going to be there in the right, and this end it's coming in this form. Okay, whereas this one, it is the reverse image. Okay, this reverse image is upside down, top bottom. Okay, so let's go how it is done. Is the flip dim, it actually is meant for flipping the image, okay, according to the dimension which I mentioned. If I mention it as 2, then it means left and right swap. Okay, whereas if it is going to be mentioned to the dimension of 1 here, then it means top down swap. Okay, and this top down swapped image, I'm passing it again to 2. So you know what means 2 is mirroring. Okay, so this is what is happening with the output when I mentioned this reverse image is again mirrored. Okay, so this reverse image is just mirrored here, as I mentioned here, the dimension to be 2. Okay, and another important function is rotate. Okay, so you could rotate the image with how much our degree which we mentioned here. Okay, I mentioned here to be a degree of 60. Let us try with 45 degrees and see how the image looks like. Okay, so this is with 60 degree of rotation. If we close the speaker window and execute it once again, so when you are rotating the image, am I getting the output? Yeah. So when you are rotating the image, you could have the image to get it reversed like this. No, it gets tilted in this form, and the remaining areas will have to be filled with some values that is interpolated with bilinear interpolation. Okay. So the last one is image adjustment. ImAdjust is a built-in function wherein I could adjust the original image, the lowermost value. You know, you people are familiar with the color image. This onion.png, the image which I have here is a color image. Okay, so the color image has got actually 3 planes. Okay, the color image has got 3 planes. The planes are red plane, green plane, and blue plane. R plane, G plane, and B plane. Okay, all the 3 planes will be individually represent in the form of pixel values varying from 0 to 255. Okay, and all the 3 planes, when you combine together, you will get the color image. Right? So that is the very basic of color.